Obama had a deal with Iran, Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. That was something Obama signed with Iran. Now, the question is, why can't Iran have a nuclear bomb? Because they actually signed the Nuclear Anti-Proliferation Act over here. They weren't looking for one, in other words. Trump obliterated the nuclear deal in his first presidency. He literally caused the problem. Literally. They never posed a threat to us. And he just fucking set off nuclear waste all over fucking Iran. That is... Your children are going to die because of this action. So true. Well, he did. Well, I was going to read Donald's statement, but apparently he blocked me because of my statement. Real talk, Donald Trump didn't want to hear any truth over here. High treason is a hangable offense, Donald.
We've just gone to war with Iran. Donald Trump concluded that Truth Social post by saying in all caps, now is the time for peace after we just bombed Iran.
This is Hawk Podcast, by the way. It's somebody I watch.
Fuck Donald Trump and fuck every single person who voted for him. Have a great weekend. We're at war. Again, in the Middle East. We are at war in the Middle East. Again.
Yeah, but this time's a little bit different. We just bombed Iran. Russia, China, North Korea, simultaneous launch. I've known of this plan since 14. I've been trying to tell y'all about it. Things are escalating to the point that it's, man. Yeah, he just violated international law too. So yeah, they've already called it out. And then there's more articles about nuclear facilities should never be attacked. Duh. Everyone's hailing this as a Middle East war. I promise you, it's going to be in your backyard. So yeah, Russia and China are pissed. And he keeps killing people in fucking Gaza. These Zionists. Great people. And then there's all this shit going on. Let me tell you something. If I came at you on Facebook, I probably unfriended you. And I'm not going to have to look at the stupid shit you're posting anymore. Keep it up, I'll just block you. I don't give a fuck.